We're in the Hoh Rain Forest at Olympia National Park. This is one of the streams and the brook, the stream rather. Look at the moss growing in the water, and there's moss, amazing. So I'm walking on to the Hall of Mosses. It's just a trail called the Hall of Moss. Even moss growing in the water. In the water. Again, this is the Hoh Rain Forest. H-O-H, Hoh Rain Forest. The west side of Olympia National Park. These trees are amazing. So this tree is a tree that fell down, or I guess it fell down and landed here crossing the river. A lot of blowdowns. Trees here are simply amazing. Simply amazing. Tall trees. Janie King here on my water blessing walk at the Hoh Rain Forest. I had to stop here to bless the rainforest, to be here with the rainforest and all these amazing plants that grow in the moisture of the air. That's what they do. They grow in the moisture in the air from the rainforest. So remember, love your water.